As an admin, you can reset your users' passwords when they forget them. Let's take a look. When a user requests a new password, you'll get a password reset request in email. To reset their password, open the App Launcher and select Admin. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Users, Active Users, and then select the key icon next to the user that requested the reset. Let it auto-generate a new password, then choose Reset. Your email address is already added. If you have a personal email address for this user, add that here too. Select Send Email and close. The user receives an email with the password reset instructions.